Friends, Namaskar. Today I present to you a synopsis of the Indian cinema vintage sound era. The first Indian sound film was Alamara in 1931, made by Ardeshir Irani. Ayodhya Raja 1932 was the first sound film of Marathi cinema from Marathi cinema. Irani also produced South India's first sound film, the Tamil Telugu bilingual, taking the picture Kalidas in 1931, H.M. Reddy. The first Telugu film with audible dialogue, Bhakt Prahlad 1932, was directed by H.M. Reddy, who directed the first bilingual Telugu and Tamil talkie, Kalidas. East India Film Company produced its first Telugu film, Savitri, in 1933, adapted from a stage play by Mailavaram Balabharati Samajam. The film received an honorary diploma at the second Venice International Film Festival. Chittur Nagaya was one of the first multilingual filmmakers in India. Jamai Sasti was the first Bengali short film as a talkie. Jyoti Prasad Agrawal made his first film, Joymati, in 1935 in Assamese and later made Indra Malati. The first film studio in South India, Durga Sinatone, was built in 1936 by Nidamurti Suravaiya in Rajamundry, Andhra Pradesh. The advent of sound to Indian cinema launched musicals such as Indra Sabha and Devi Devyani, making the beginning of song and dance in Indian films. In 1935, studios emerged in major cities such as Madras, Calcutta, and Bombay, as filmmaking became an established industry, exemplified by the success of Devdas in 1935. The first color film made in India was Kisan Kanya in 1937. Vishu Mohini in 1940 was the first Indian film to depict the Indian movie making world. Bombay Talkies opened in 1934 and Prabhat Studios in Pune began production of Marathi films. Sant Tukaram in 1936 was the first Indian film to be screened at an international film festival. At the 1937 edition of the Venice Film Festival, the film was judged one of the best three films of the year. However, while Indian filmmakers sought to tell important stories, the British Raj banned Rath in 1930 and Raidu Bidda in 1938 for broaching the subject of the Indian independence movement. A short list of actors, actresses, directors, music directors, and lyricists of 30s era is given below. Actors and actresses Trilok Kapoor, K.L. Sehgal, Kumar, Lalita Pawar, Bibbo, Mehtab, Gohar, Kanan Devi, Devika Rani, Shobna Samarth. The directors were Master Vinayak, Sora Modi, Franz Osten, P.C. Barua, J.B.S. Wadia, V. Shantaram, Pankaj Malik, R.S. Chaudhary, Ardeshwar Irani, and Bhagwati Prasad Mishra. Music directors and lyricists were Saraswati Devi, Pankaj Malik, K.C. Day, R.C. Boral, Anil Vishwas, Timir Baran, Aga Hassan Kashmiri, Dhaniram Prem, D.N. Madhok, and Kedar Sharma. Thanks for watching. Bye.